Hey guys, today I want to make another video about my Ridgeline and how it handles the snow, specifically after a snowstorm. Right now this is a day after the snowstorm and we've gotten about 5 to 8 inches of snow on the ground, but it is still snowing. There's a lot more coming, but I wanted to make another video, show you guys how capable the Ridgeline is with its super handling all-wheel drive system. And also I brought my brother-in-law with me because he has a 1996 Land Cruiser with a traditional 4x4 and a centered locking differential, and show you guys how both of these cars handle the snow. Stay tuned. Okay, the first test will be this snow pile right here. So just to show you guys a reference how deep it is, it's about a feet at least, and it goes up even higher. So let's see how the Ridgeline and the Land Cruiser handles this. Here's a trail. About 3 to 5 inches of snow. This is a lot more snow than when I first filmed that other video. But overall, the Ridgeline is handling it just fine. The all-wheel drive system is doing its thing. I did put it in a snow mode just in case. A snow mode is a bit more intelligent in terms of how it handles the snow. So next we're going to attempt this little hill. It's about, I don't know, 15-20% grade, and it should be fairly easy. But again, we're traveling about 3 to 5 inches of snow, so we're gonna give it a try and see what happens. No problem, no slipping at all. All-wheel drive system is doing its thing. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I had a blast, so did my brother-in-law, and both the Ridgeline and the Land Cruiser handled the snow just fine. The Ridgeline is not the best at everything, but it's very good at a lot of things, and today I think I showed you guys the all-wheel drive system in this Ridgeline could definitely handle the snow, and pretty deep snow at that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for my future videos. Take care. Bye-bye.